saying, what gave RCB so much of an extrajudicial right and privilege, sir? I know that they have got celebrity status. They run a franchisee, much like other franchisees. And cricket is a religion in this country. I know that RCB had a win. But RCB as an organization, today, because you are also, the government is also going to file charges based on the D'Quina report, I want to ask you, who are this RCB and then DNA network? Who are all these people? What, when the police said we cannot do bandobast at such a short notice, they still go ahead, they still put kind of social media posts. What is with this arrogance?
Good evening, Sudhaji.
Good evening.
My stand has been vindicated. Always in your show, I have always stick to one point that RCB has not seeked permission for their KSCA event. And my stand is vindicated today and truth has prevailed. RCB and KSCA have acted as extrajudicially entities. They feel that they are separate. Cricket is very, very godly in this nation. But that doesn't mean KSCA, RCB and the stars are above the law of the land. Every guy, whoever has a private or a public function has to seek public police permission. And that police permission normally should be seeked 3 or 4 days in advance. Justice Kuno report is very clear. The Cubbon Park police station police inspector has clearly said, he has denied permission to hold the event in KSCA. But you all might ask us, when the permission was denied, why was police sent to that KSCA? Please understand, the capacity of KSCA is just 35,000. And number of people, according to intelligence reports, the number of people who came to KSCA is somewhere to the tune of 3.5 to 4 lakhs. The metro ridership, which was normally 6 lakhs on that day, clocked 9.66 lakhs just on metro alone. That means 3.6 lakh commuters came via metro and got down at Cubbon Park metro station.
That's
now
why,
then
sir,
imagine other modes of transport.
Yeah, I'm asking you therefore, sir, that what gives them so much of arrogance? What gives them so much of privilege? Go ahead.
Okay, see, my friend is speaking as if he was sitting in the beside table at Janardhan Hotel when Mr. Siddaramaiah was eating the dosa. Don't do this whataboutery. You are speaking in a national channel. You should have some facts. Sitting in Janardhan Hotel, he was eating dosa, he said all this. Do you have proof? Can you play that audio? You don't have. BJP is always hell-bent on doing whataboutery. The permission to hold the function in Vidhan Sabha was given. Mr. Siddaramaiah tweeted people to come for this. The permission for KSCA event was not given by the government. Very clear.
Then how did they do it? Okay, I agree, Satya, absolutely 200% I agree with you. Then why did they organize the function in Chinnaswamy Stadium? Please answer. Exactly. What kind of a government is this? Tomorrow, I've said this before, when a singer came and started singing on the streets, what did the police do? The police took off all the plugs and say, you're not allowed to do this, go away. Rightfully said. How come in this case, RCB and KSCA and all those top officials, super rich people in RCB, they just did what they had to. Go on, Satya.
Give me 2 to 3 minutes, sure. I will answer. That is exactly why the police commissioner was shunted. That is exactly why the DCP was shunted. That is exactly why the intelligence chief was moved out. That is exactly why all the lower level officials were shunted out. When clear police permission was not given, how did they allow so much of a crowd to come at KSCA Stadium? When there are, this is not, this is not a rogue state. How did police allow so many people to come there?
You tell me, are you blaming the top cop, the DCP, who was shunted out? Because he's done very well earlier. In different situations, he has really, the government has, fine, okay, then why is Parameswara not shunted out? The buck stops with Parameswara.
If P. Kunohar report would have said that the Home Minister ordered the police to give the permission, then he would be sent out.
Oh, so in under your government, the police acts on its own, is it? I've never heard of this. I've never heard of this.
No,
I know.
For everything the Home Minister gives decision to the Cubbon Park police station, is it? I have also never heard about this. The concerned SHO will take a decision. The concerned DCP will take a decision.
Satya, the
Home Minister
pecking
is from
order
the
is
entire
this.
state.
Siddaramaiah is the boss. After that comes Parameshwara. After that comes police. No? So where does the buck stops? Now conveniently many people will say, okay, RCB, government, Ashok, come in, Ashok. I don't have much time, so I have
Siddaramaiah has
to.
gone on record.
Very
Police
simple. It is
commissioner has
very,
met
very
me,
simple.
but he has
See,
not given any report as such to me.
Prakash ji, with all due respect,
Sudhaji, it is not CM's responsibility to know how many free passes RCP has given for a stadium capacity of
No one
35,000.
said, no one
It is
said,
not CM's
no one said that you are
responsibility.
veering
It is
away.
It is not CM's responsibility. It is KSCS
said?
and RCB's responsibility
Shia-
to open all the gates.
You know, Satya,
If they have called everyone,
I think I've
if
screamed
it was
enough
free for all,
and asked you,
if it-
why is it, what gives them, like you have said on my show many times, you said, Sudha, I'm not going to speak as a spokesperson. What gives someone so much of arrogance to act with such impunity? These are your words. I can pull old shows. I'm asking you today. What gave RCB and KSCA so much of arrogance to say, Arey, police has denied permission, so what? We will still do it. Let's get on to social media. We'll call them. And every
overconfidence. They
so if
feel
I'm,
they know-
can
they
I
know
can
all
I
the
dance on top of a bus in Bengaluru because I can dance quickly, you know?
Seconds, 20
ठीक है,
seconds.
go
I'll
ahead,
just tell.
Satya. ठीक है.
See, we are not running away from our responsibility, Sudha. I have always said we will take responsibilities. Ultimately, we all have to take responsibility. That is why we have made the Justice Kunua Commission. Whatever comes from there, we will make sure that few things are done within the establishment, police establishment. Whenever someone doesn't take permission and still brings about 3 or 4 lakhs people, what should we do? These are the things that the administration will take place. This is this thing for us. It's a lesson
Dereliction
for
of
us.
duty,
We will change ourselves.
top to bottom chaos and